High above a crowded city lived a gentle white pigeon named Noor. Unlike other pigeons who fought for crumbs and chased each other from rooftops, Noor was innocent at heart. She never learned to push or peck. Instead, she shared whatever little she found with others. Every morning, Noor perched on the window of a little girl who always left a few seeds for her. The girl would smile warmly and whisper, "You remind me of peace." Noor came to love those moments, not just for the food, but for the kindness in the girl's eye. One day, a heavy storm swept through the city, and Noor was carried far away from her familiar home. Tired and frightened, she finally landed in a park where children were playing. At first, they ran after her, laughing and clapping, but Noor stayed calm and unafraid. Her soft cooing soon captured their attention. The children, noticing her gentle nature, began to feed her every day. They named her their Peace Bird and waited eagerly for her visits, sharing their snacks and smiling whenever she appeared. From then on, Noor became a symbol of kindness in the neighborhood. She reminded both children and adults that gentleness could change even the busiest hearts. And though the little girl from the window missed her pigeon friend, she was happy knowing Noor was spreading peace wherever she flew.